Hi and welcome to a video on comments in Java. So comments are basically human readable. They're for you to read or somebody else reading your code, but they're ignored by the compiler and by the Java virtual machine when you run your program. There are two types of comments in Java. There's a single line comment. So single line comment. Anything after those two forward slashes will be ignored by the compiler. And then there are multi-line comments, which starts with a forward slash and star, and anything inside the starting comment, so forward slash star, and the ending star forward slash. So anything in between there will be ignored. So in Eclipse it will put in those stars for you just to make it look pretty, but you can take them out and you can type in anything here at all. So that is a multi-line comment. And that is it. You can spell it right. You can put in multi-line comments or single-line comments wherever you want. Traditionally, they will be multi-line comments on top of a class, on top of a method, on top of a package, and then single-line comments on top of just single lines of code.